What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that will eradicate and remove all scars, be it C-section scar, be it burn scar, be it any scar. Okay, it's something that you have to scrub off, give it a little time, and you are gonna see it working really fine on you. Alright, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also please click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section, guys. Alright, let's dive into this video. So the first ingredient we're going to be needing to get rid of C-section scar or any other stubborn scars on your body is going to be shea butter. Now, shea butter is loaded with vitamins alongside with vitamin E that helps to increase the skin elasticity and therefore helps to clean out or remove out long-lasting scar. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna be needing aloe vera gel for this because aloe vera is great for the skin and it also helps to remove scars, pigmentations, and rough edges. Okay. And the next one, we're going to be needing petroleum jelly. Alright, so if you don't want to use petroleum jelly, you can actually you can actually use coconut oil. Okay, but petroleum jelly is going to be ideal for this particular scars remedy because of all of the other natural ingredients that I'm going to be using. And the next one I'm going to be needing is going to be vitamin E capsule. Now, vitamin E capsule is loaded with a lot of nutrients that helps to increase the skin elasticity, therefore removing scars and also dark spots. It also helps get into the skin, eradicate stretch marks, and increase the skin texture. Okay, by improving complexion. And I'm also going to be needing a little bit of honey because honey is a skin boost, it's a skin moisturizer. It helps to leave the skin moisturized and smooth, so it's going to be ideal for this treatment. So for this, I'm going to be scooping in half teaspoon of shea butter. And also we're going to be putting in about half tablespoon of aloe vera. Okay, so my aloe vera is running out. I'm just going to be taking from here into the bowl. Then I'm going to be putting more. We're going to be putting in the petroleum jelly. I'm just going to be scooping that inside of the treatment. Then we're going to be needing just one capsule of vitamin E. I'm going to be cutting that into it. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing that. Now, vitamin E oil is one great oil that helps so much for the skin. So now we're just going to be mixing all of this together. Okay, now this is going to be a perfect scar removing oil. Okay, so you have to rub this onto your scars, however the scar may be, even if it's burnt or you fell down or something. Okay, and if you've actually undergone a C-section, you can take this lotion, and then you apply it generously onto that part, and then you massage it. Okay, massage it really well until it goes deep into your skin and you no longer feel anything. Okay, the only thing you're gonna be feeling is gonna be the moisture of this oil. Okay, and it's gonna be like that. So when you apply this onto your scars, then you leave it. You don't have to wash this off. You can see how it is shiny and beautiful, so you don't have to wash it off. And then so it's just gonna be there until the scars is faded. Okay, so you have to apply this oil on your scars morning and evening. Okay, when you apply it morning and evening, all of those scars is just going to gradually fade off, and your skin is going to glow really well. Okay, so that's it guys. It's just a little scrub and all of the scars will be gone, and you have to make sure that you rub it really well. Okay, let it go into the skin and dissolve all of the scars, and your skin is gonna be uniformly beautiful. Okay, so if you did love the video and you think it was helpful, please share this video and thumbs up to my YouTube channel and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any curious beauty or personal questions, drop them on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section guys. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys. Mwah.